What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Toyota 4Runner. So if your 4Runner is in need of an oil change, you may be getting a message on the dash saying oil maintenance required when you start it. In order to reset the oil life and clear that message, we'll first either need to have the vehicle running or the ignition in the on position. I'm going to put the ignition in the on position because I'm in a closed garage. So without pressing the brake, I'm going to press the stop-start button 2 times. That's going to put the ignition into the on position. Once the ignition's in the on position, I'm going to come over here and press the odometer stem. And I'm going to press that until we have trip A up. Once trip A is up, then we can turn the vehicle off. Once the vehicle's off, then what I'm going to do is press and hold down the odometer stem and then put the ignition back into the on position. And then as soon as the screen comes up, you'll notice it's saying resetting oil maintenance data. And then once that progress bar is full or complete, it's been reset. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.